What color is this?
Green. 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 Look, a parrot in green color.
What color is this?
Red. 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 Red tasty strawberries.
What is this color?
Yellow. 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 Tasty mangoes.
What is this color?
Blue. Blue. A beautiful blue ocean.
Next, what is this color?
Pink. 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 Look, a lotus.
What is the next color?
Black. 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 Here is a black cat.
What is this color?
Purple. 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 She is sleeping with a purple blanket.
And finally, what color is this?
Orange. 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 This is orange fruit. Subscribe to Ajuba's Art for more videos. Thank you.